In this video, I'm going to be showing you my own personal thoughts and opinions about KAL, the Kalera public limited company. We're going to start off with this. Nothing on the channel constitutes professional and or financial advice, so let's get straight into the prediction. Now, higher time frame, this does not look so great. We open here in 2021, 1st of July, wicked out and then continue to come lower. So nothing to say, nothing good has been going on with KAL for right now. So on the weekly time frame, I'm going to mark up the low that we had. Although today we're 76% up, we're still in this huge weekly range. It's coming from $2.30. We're sitting at 16 cents right now. This is where the daily chart comes into play, which again is super weird. Yeah, we are going higher, like nevertheless from this zero point, what like the low of this candle is at 0.0697, and now we're at 0.16. So that's gains. Now daily chart is from up here. We're gonna see what we're gonna be getting there. I basically assume we're just filling the gap here. So more like than not, I'm gonna do something like this and then still continue lower. Again, this is all my opinion and thought. Obviously not financial advice. Have a